back to my channel. Today's video I wanted to do a decorate the front porch with me and kind of clean with me a little bit. I just was really inspired by Pinterest during the winter months to just kind of spruce it up and give my front porch a little bit more curb appeal. I normally just like to put some pots on the front porch and just call it a day, but I just really wanted to liven it up a little bit. I wanted to change my front door so it just looked like a whole new appearance, and so it looked more like me. A lot of these items I did already have, but some of the items I did purchase, and if I did purchase them, they were mostly on sale or I used a coupon for them. So anything that I did purchase or I mentioned in this video, I will link down below. But if you would like to see me decorate the front porch, then keep watching.
So the first thing I did was plant my flowers in my pots. The second it started staying warm through the night, I couldn't wait, and I was so excited to finally see some flowers on my porch. So that I didn't have to fill these urn planter pots up with potting soil, I added a noodle to the bottom. This helps you save a little money on the potting mix because you're only putting in half the amount of potting soil. Plus, the noodle holds a little moisture. I did this last year and had no problems with my plants thriving. After Brandon started planting the front door, I loved the red but was so ready for a change and to brighten it up. We used this beautiful gray toned white. It was in the gray color book at Home Depot. I love it so much. I love changing out the wreaths for every holiday or every season, and I've had this one forever now, and I really wanted to change it up, but I could not find anything that I loved or envisioned. So I'm utilizing what I already have by reusing the wreath and adding some more love to it by wrapping some flower garland around it. And by doing this, it makes it appear a little bit more fuller. I kind of just played around with it and turned the flowers to whatever way I liked and added a pink ribbon. If I can't find what I envision, then I try to make it. Are you guys like that too? Now to a little cleaning. My husband already power washed the house and the porch for me a few weeks ago, but we have some bird friends that made a nest right by our porch, so we had some bird droppings I needed to clean up and then give this little bench that I can't seem to part ways with a little wash. I can't decide if I should paint these pots all white or just get some new ones, but for now I'm just going to add these guys on the bench.
Listen to the midnight radio.
Okay, so now on to the fun stuff. This rug, you guys. This might be my favorite addition to the porch. I'm so obsessed with the black and white combo together. Always have and probably always will. So that it doesn't get ruined, I sprayed it with this Scotch Guard protector. And then we got a new rug because the black rug that we had on it, or the black mat that we had on it, just kind of blended in. Picked this cute one up at Hobby Lobby, and I just fell in love with what it said. Just couldn't be more true. Now for the welcome sign. This was so easy and so fun to make. I purchased a piece of already treated wood for around $6 at Home Depot, and then I painted it with some white paint that I already had. The letters I found at Walmart for $1.49 each. So for everything, it was under $20. I use these Velcro command strips to get the letters to stick to the board. I just discovered these guys this year, and oh my goodness, life-changing. For those who aren't the greatest at hammering nails, this you gotta have. The wooden hello sign came unpainted, and I found that at Hobby Lobby for $6, and I just painted that white. The lanterns I also found at Hobby Lobby, and they were on sale. I'm sure you already know this, but if you don't, if something isn't on sale at Hobby Lobby, it will be on sale the next week or the following week. They go through a rotation of when things go on sale, and if you don't want to wait for a sale, I always screenshot a coupon before I go. I ended up adding this purple flower pot Ella picked out. Brandon and Ella seem to love it, so I'll probably just keep it. But I always sit on things and kind of just look at it for a few days. So I'm sure I'll change something up or something around.
A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration or motivation. Please consider subscribing and joining our internet family. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much.
We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to join our family here, and check out any of the links down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!